having trouble with lunges. Maybe you're having trouble with running and jumping and squatting and doing lunges and split jerks, right? Because your knee is just killing you and there's just way too much pressure on it for you to do those movements. Guys, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about knee pain, the ways you can relieve some of the tension and some of the pressure on that knee once you've started to develop some knee pain. So guys, if you don't know me, my name is Dr. Michael Tansini here at Ground Over at PT. Dr. Tank, coming at you with the daily body armor. Now, we come at you daily with a way to bulletproof your body and continue to be your best self. So if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you never miss a way to be awesome, bulletproof your body, and keep on doing what you love. So now, let's get back to action. You need to grab a ball, okay? And you need to lay down on your back, okay? We're going to take this ball, we're going to jam it right up in that crease right in the back of the knee, and you're going to try and pull that shin or close that knee angle, and you'll feel a little bit of soft tissue works back of the hamstring and the calf, okay? But you should feel a gapping and almost like a relief of pressure on the knee. Okay, now you use a ball, you use a peanut. If you still feel your knee tightness as you're using the ball or the peanut, take that ball and wrap it up in a towel. Okay, make it a little bit thicker to make the wedge a little bit bigger, depending on the severity of the knee discomfort that you're having. Okay, so now pick a side. So you can pick the outside, the inside, run in the middle, move it around. Okay, the key is spend about 2 minutes working through there. Hold it down for 3 to 5 seconds. Relax out for about 1 to 2. 3 to 5, 1 to 2. This work, you're not ballistically bouncing in and out, but you are moving in and out of the mobilization to then help with that knee pain. So once you're done, jump up, retest that squat, see if it feels a little bit looser, see if it feels a little bit better. This is an excellent tool you can use to take away some of the achiness, and some of the tightness and stiffness that you have in that knee. So guys, once again, this is Dr. Tank coming at you with your daily body armor. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.